On a practical sense, Estyn arrived on the Tuesday. They, like most Estyn teams do, they went straight into it with the full team looking at work scrutiny for the first hour, followed by the team being out in lessons from 10 o'clock in the morning. Some full lessons, some part lessons, interviewing pupils, asking them questions around the actions and operations of the school, followed by interviews with middle leaders and also senior leaders around the Estyn recommendations. Also a work scrutiny, as I've said, but also a learning walk around the full school with a member of the senior leadership team, which was again very valuable to actually show what was happening. Second day then, it was lesson observations, and then by around lesson 2, lesson 3, the team were back in their room shaping some of the observations that they made to feed back to us as a senior leadership team at around 1:30, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The feedback on the final day I felt was also very collegiate, very two-way, questions being asked, very open to us asking questions for clarification as well, very much moving away from a sense of this is what it is, you must act on it. It was very much a sense that working with the school to try and move us on to the next stage.